G'day Sawdust Makers, another quick video today. I'm going to show you how to take a small piece of scrap wood, a couple of basic cuts and a drilled hole and turn it into this awesome, tricky magic Houdini bottle holder. It's fast, it's easy to make, makes a great gift, so let's go. The first hurdle in making these is that every tutorial on YouTube gives you different specifications. Some said cut the base at 20 degrees, some said 45 degrees. Every time I tried one, it never worked. After a lot of trial and error, I found a sweet spot that really worked for me, and it meant that I could make them different lengths and widths so long as I followed a few basic rules. Awesome! I could make a whole bunch of different styles and types. I measured and marked all the holes so they'd be centre. I got a sacrificial piece of rubbish so I wouldn't drill into my bench, and then I just went to town with my Forstner bit. It's like a hot knife through butter. I gave them all a quick road test. They were all successful, and then I know they're all going to work. I attacked some with a flap disc to add some character. I even tried that shosugi barn. Well, no, I'm not going to do that. You know. Used my Dremel, well, the Azito brand type of Dremel, which was perfect for sanding all the holes. And bang, I ended up with a stack of them. A whole bunch of different ones, different looks, different styles. I used some basic water-based satin varnish to coat them. The trick for me was to try and make them around 300mm overall in length. You then wanted around 190mm from the bottom to the centre of the hole. You then wanted that hole to be 40mm round, which was perfect for a Forstner bit. And then the clincher, 33-degree bevel cut. 33 degrees. Not 45, not 20, not bloody whatever. I hope you enjoyed it. These are an absolute perler of a gift. These sell great at markets. So off you trot. Have a crack at making your own. Let me know how you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.